Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at how we can automatically generate beat markers in CapCut PC from audio files. So let's say this is a music video I'm working on. I want to generate beat markers to cut to the beat. What you're going to do is you're going to click on an audio file. We're going to move to this button over here, which is the Automatic Beats feature. We're going to select the beat type we want. So now if you choose the first one, beat 1, you see these markers are interspaced and a bit far from each other. But if you want a more detailed one, which you see each beat on the file, what you're going to do, you're going to select beat 2. Now you can see our beat markers on our audio file. So that's how simple it is to create beat markers in CapCut PC. This is normally needed by those who edit music videos or any edits where you're going to cut to the beat of the song. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.